We completed the previous video by using the split command to split the seat stay into two pieces and the chain stay into two pieces. If we look at our feature tree, we see that we've gone from 3 bodies now to 5 bodies, and the stays have been named split 1, 2, 3, and 4 because these were created with the split feature. This could of course be done with a cut command, but the advantage of using split is that these can be split apart with absolutely no gap between them, whereas the cut command would always require a tiny amount of thickness to do the cut, resulting in a slight gap between the parts. Now that the ends of the stays have been split off, we can go ahead and combine them with the body that is the dropout. I'll just roll this forward. Now we see these are combined together as a single body, which gives us this hard line here where the two intersect. And now finally I can turn these portions of the stays into thin-bodied shells, which I have avoided doing up to this point. To do this, I'm going to find it convenient to temporarily hide this dropout body. I've got my 2 solid stays. I'm going to turn these into shells, and I have to do them one at a time because they are separate bodies. I'll just set a thickness of about 1.5, and I need to exclude the end faces of these bodies so that they are not included in the shell command. So that's the first shell for the chain stay. And the second shell for the seat stay. Now that that's been accomplished, I can go ahead and re-show the dropout. And I'll just go ahead and make these transparent. So you can see that we have a dropout, which is one solid thick body, and 2 stays, which are thin shells. Then I'll just finish this process by adding some fillets on the edges of the cast dropout, which will accentuate the difference between these parts a little bit, and also highlight the fact that this is a casting and not a cut tube. And then maybe add a few more fillets to clean up some of the sharp edges on this casting. That completes the tutorial for making a dropout which is blended smoothly with the seat stay and the chain stay tubing.